everybody, Asma here, and this is a new Elektor TV video. Are you an amateur radio enthusiast? Then, this book is for you. Raspberry Pi Pico for Radio Amateurs is a book by Professor Dagan Ibrahim. With it, you can build and program Raspberry Pi Pico-based ham radio utilities, tools, and instruments. So, let's take a look together on its content. The most important projects are listed on the back of the book. Divided into 7 chapters, it is adapted to beginners as well as those with a wide experience. Chapter 1 is an overview of the hardware details of the Pico microcontroller module. Chapter 2 will teach you how to install and use the MicroPython programming language. And to make you familiar with programming the Pico, simple programs are given in Chapter 3. In Chapter 4, it's time to develop some programs useful for the amateur radio operators. Chapter 5 is about simple hardware-based projects. In Chapter 6, you will be developing hardware-based amateur radio projects with the Pico. Chapter 7 is an easy example on how to start a program automatically after the Raspberry Pi Pico boots. The book introduces the Pico and gives example of many general-purpose software-only projects. Chapter 6 in particular presents over 36 hardware-based projects for hams including Pico-based FM radio, radio station clock, frequency counter, and more. As you saw, this book is suitable for beginners in electronics as well as for experienced engineers. All you need is a Raspberry Pi Pico and some external components. So let us know in the comment section below this video in which project were you interested the most. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.